This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a common and easy to fix problem of an air gap from the dishwasher that leaks out onto the counter, as we see here. When the dishwasher tries to drain, all the water just shoots out onto the counter, hopefully most of it into the sink. And it's pretty easy to solve. First thing to try is you lift off the cap, then you want to pry off this little white plastic cap at the top, and then you want to reach in there with maybe a straightened coat hanger, or I have this little spring snake, and I'm going to go in, not the center tube, the little tube, but I'm going to go in the outside perimeter tube, and that's going to bring the snake down into the large black rubber hose that goes between the air gap and the garbage disposal to get rid of any clog that might be there. When I did this though, when I pulled out the tool, I noticed there was very little gunk at all, so it made me have the suspicion that maybe they forgot to knock out the little cap inside the brand new garbage disposal. So to fix that, it's really easy. Just going to undo this hose clamp, and then you're going to pull out that black hose, and some water will come out, so you want to be ready for that. And then once you get the hose off, you can knock out the little plastic tab that's in there. It's pretty easy. You just take a standard head screwdriver, put it in the hole, and then bang it with either the heel of your hand or maybe a small hammer. And that'll break loose the little plastic cap inside of there. So here's a little hammer and standard head screwdriver. I'll knock out that cap, and then I'll put the hose back on. Sometimes people don't have a dishwasher disposal or dishwasher hose they want to hook up, so that's why the cap is in there, and installers just kind of forget to remove it. So I got that removed. I'm going to put the hose back on. I'm going to tighten the hose clamp, and now when I close it, it drains, and it drains right into the disposal as it's supposed to. Works great. So really easy to do. It's just the installer forgot to knock out that little plastic tab. Then to get the tab out, make sure you unplug your disposal, and you can reach in with this special tool, and you'll find usually a black plastic or gray plastic or white plastic cap that you can fish out. Thanks for watching. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button, and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.